Okay, so just seeing the images of the message that was sent to Willian, of him being racially abused on Instagram, and it is getting really out of hand. And I think this is something that the social media platform has to deal with on a more strict manner. These type of behaviors cannot continue. It cannot continue. And as fans, we should support our players despite whatever the situation is. We have to support our players. And I think it's now getting out of hand. And now the social platforms have to be held accountable for what they are doing. And some of these persons who are creating social profiles now have to be recommended to bring forward some form of identification so that they can clarify their social platform. So whenever things like this happen, they can be held properly accountable for it. If not, the social media platforms will be held accountable for it. And it is a sad day. Anyways, this is a very sad news, and I find it very, very disheartening. But we as fans, we have to learn, and we have to get education. Knowledge is always the key, and that's the best way. And it is very sad. It is very, very sad. Not much to say on it. I'm out.